Hello, welcome back to Glorious Mathetesian. We've been given this. We are required to simplify. So we have root of 5 plus 2 all under cube root, then minus root of 5 minus 2 all under cube root. So the solution, first of all, we shall let this whole expression be equals to x. And let a be equals to this one here, cube root of root 5 plus 2, and let b be equals to cube root of root 5 minus 2. So in simple terms, x will be equals to a minus b. So let this be our equation 1. Now let's find the cube root on both sides. No, not the cube root, let's cube both sides. Let's put a power 3 on both sides. So we shall have x to power 3 is equals to a minus b to power 3, which will be equals to x to power 3 being equals to this. When we expand it, gives us a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So x cubed will be equals to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b when you consider this and this. But remember, a is equals to cube root of root 5 plus 2 and b is equals to cube root of root 5 minus 2. Now from equation 1, a minus b is equals to x. This implies that x to power cubed is equals to cube root of root of 5 plus 2 cubed minus cube root of root of 5 minus 2 cubed, then minus this 3ab, but a minus b we said is equals to x. So 3ab x times x. So let's first find ab. So we shall have ab is equals to cube root of root 5 plus 2 times cube root of root of 5 minus 2. So AB is equals to cube root of root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. So AB is equals to cube root, we shall have root 5 times root 5 is 5. Okay, let me first write it down. Root 5 times root 5 plus root 5 times negative 2, which gives us negative 2 root 5 plus 2 times root 5 is 2 root 5 plus 2 times negative 2. So AB is equals to cube root 5 times root 5 is 5. Then this negative 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 cancel, and we are left with 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 is negative 4, so minus 4. Therefore, AB is equals to cube root of 5 minus 4 is 1. So AB is equals to, this is the same as 1. So cube root of 1, cube root of 1 is 1. So this implies that x to power 3 is equals to cube root of root 5 plus 2 cubed minus cube root of root 5 minus 2 cubed minus 3 times 1 times x. But now this 3 cancels with a cube root. This power 3 cancels with a cube root. Therefore, x to power 3 is equals to root of 5 plus 2 minus root of 5 minus 2, then minus 3 times 1 times x is 3x. So x to power 3 is equals to, this is root of 5 plus 2 minus root of 5 plus 2 minus 3x. So we have x to power 3 is equals to, this cancels with this. So 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 3x. So when we take this side, we shall have x to power 3 plus 3x minus 4 being equals to 0. Now to solve this cubic equation, let's use grouping and factorization. So we shall have x to power 3 plus 4x minus x. 3x is the same as 4x minus x, then minus 4 is equals to 0. So we shall have x cubed, then we start with this minus x, then plus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. It's the same, we've just rearranged. So x is common here. We factor it out. We shall have x into x squared minus 1. Then also 4 is common here. Plus 4 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. As you can see, this here is in the form of a perfect square. So 1 squared is the same as 1. So this is x squared minus 1 squared. So it's in the form of a perfect square. So it can be written as x into x plus 1, x minus 1. So plus this, 4 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So as you can see, x minus 1 is common here and here. So we factor it out. We shall have x minus 1 into, here we shall remain with x into x plus 1, then plus 4 is equals to 0. So we shall have x minus 1 into, this is x times x is x squared plus x, then plus 4 is equals to 0. Sorry about that. So we have two options. We have x minus 1 is equals to 0, where x will be equals to 1, or and x squared plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now let's check whether this will give us a real solution. Let's use the discriminant formula, which is b squared minus 4 ac. So our value of b is 1. So 1 squared minus 4. Our value of a is 1 also, times 1. And our value of c, the constant, is 4. So we shall have 1 minus, this is 16. Therefore, this gives us 1 minus 16 is negative 15, which is less than 0. Negative 15 is less than 0. So this implies that this cubic equation has no real solution since it's less than 0. So the only real solution is this one here. X is equals to 1. But remember, cube root of root 5 plus 2 minus cube root of root 5 minus 2 was equals to x. And we found that x is 1 here. That implies that the cube root of 5 plus 2 minus the cube root of root 5 minus 2 is equals to 1. So this is our solution. That's our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Like if you enjoyed the video, and share with your friends so that it can reach more people. Yeah, so that they can also get the knowledge. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.